Bye, Ghost. What's up, guys? So this is Original Ghost, First Ghost, Ghost 1, whatever you want to call it, farewell tour. I haven't even gotten on the highway yet. I'm going from Los Angeles to Nashville, Tennessee. It is about a 2,000 mile drive. I am not going to rush. I do not want to put myself through that. I am first going to be stopping in Las Vegas to go see some friends. But right now in Los Angeles, it happens to be almost 4 o'clock and the traffic is horrendous. Joy to me. I waited to the very last moment to fix my windshield. Here with my boy AJ right now. What is up?
What's up? The farewell tour. Ghosts. Goodbye, Ghosts.
Yep, goodbye, Ghost, because they're replacing my glass right now because 4 months ago a rock came up and hit it. It's my man Nelson right there taking good care of me. Safe light.
Safe light repair. Safe light. I don't know the rest.
Cost me $500, but hey, what are you gonna do? Bada bing, bada boom. You know, a new windshield. You know what I mean? I am not looking forward to this drive right now. I am literally going 20 miles an hour, and I'm going to be going 20 miles an hour from now until the next hour and a half. I have zero planned out. I'm going to Vegas to meet up with 2 of my friends that are VanLife. They have tomorrow planned out, but that's about it. Probably leaving Wednesday morning from Vegas, driving most of the day Wednesday, most of the day Thursday, and most of the day Friday. That is the only plan I have in the head. I'm meeting with the new owner on Monday. So again, I have plenty of time to do all this. I could get, me personally, it's a 29-hour drive. I could get to Nashville in 2 days by myself. But I'm not about to rush myself to get over there and kill myself with sleep deprivation. And it would be nice to get some work done. All right, guys, I'm gonna stop recording now, and I'm gonna focus on driving. Probably pick this back up in Vegas. We'll see. Good morning. As you can see, I got a lot of light behind me. I gotta go outside and check this out. But I'm in Vegas right now. I met up with Sloan, and she's two vans away from me. But I'll bring the camera outside right now, and I can show you guys outside. I'm still trying to get my schedule realigned because I'm so used to working overnight shift and staying up late. So I got in late last night. It's gonna be a long day, but I just need some coffee. Someone's back from their run. Wanna say hi?
Good morning, sunshine.
It's been down. How's your run? How's your run?
You know, it was a solid run. We didn't go very far. We only went 2 miles because the dogs don't like running. But Jarrod and I are going to the gym now, guys. So
we are. Well, we're gonna go to a workout in, and then we're gonna also shower. It's our birthday this week too.
Yeah.
We have the same birthday. What?
It's my 30th birthday.
Oh my God! Stop! I'm 36. So it's our birthday this week. Life of a VanLifer. Ready for this? There it is! Emptying a toilet. Our porta potties. We're gonna run off to Planet Fitness now. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Guys, you're busy at work.
Oh my God, he's got the camera on again.
I know, right? This is Alexa, everybody.
Those vloggers. Hi, guys.
We are still in Vegas, and we came to meet Alexa here because this is where she lives. She's currently a part-time VanLifer. Right?
Hopefully not for long.
Yeah, we're gonna go actually look at her van later, so I'll show you guys in the vlog her van. You can follow Alexa on Instagram.
At Movin, M-O-B-I-N, Alexa.
There you go.
Or at Livin, L-I-V-I-N, The Dream, The Movement.
Boom. I'll put them both in the description below. You guys know the drill. Stopped to get some food though, because I was hungry. We were at a cafe earlier. I wish I showed the cafe we were at.
Sweet.
What do you know the name of it?
Gabi. Gabi or Gabby. I don't know how to pronounce it. But
G-A-B-I, right?
And it was French, so it's probably Gabi.
Is that French? I don't even know.
Well, they were speaking French in the bathroom.
Oh, they were?
Yeah,
Oh, I thought that was Italian.
Oh, is it?
I don't know.
It's Chinese.
So do you guys want to plug what you guys are working on right now? Because they are literally hard at work right now. Well, I should be working, but I'm not.
He's on vacation. He's taking his baby away, so he deserves it.
But I'm saying I'm working with the camera. Kinda. a project.
Be a YouTube series?
It's gonna be a YouTube series.
So it's gonna
I'm
be a
getting
YouTube
into
series.
YouTube.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Oh, actually, they don't. I've never even mentioned your podcast before.
Oh my gosh, you guys! Last week I dropped a podcast, and I promise I'm not annoying in it. I talk about the
Actually,
struggles.
really like calm.
Yeah.
It's awesome, you guys.
People have been telling me that I'm very meditative.
Yeah, you're
and I
very.
should do like meditations.
You should like her, just because you guys know her. You know, everybody.
You know me as I
Because
am.
Stallone's like crazy, right? But like when you listen to her podcast. Okay, cool. When you listen, we're in a restaurant. When you listen to Stallone's podcast, it's very like mellow.
Very soothing.
Yeah.
I'm talking about a very harsh subject, so I know that it kind of needs to be broached in a softer kind of tone.
What is it? What is it? What's it called?
It's called Solo Sobriety, and it's on iTunes, Google, Spotify.
Pretty cool. Their new project is a YouTube series that they're going to be making.
We'll drum roll you in.
Well, drum roll.
Oh my god, this is what I've been doing. You're not about to
Go.
hear it. Flaw theory. Flaw? Like your flaws in theory.
Yeah, like the defects that you have.
Each other out on our flaws, so when we see something and a pattern of behavior in each other, we're going to call each other out on it because we want to be our best version of ourselves that we possibly can be. So we're showing that we're not perfect, even though we both aspire to motivate people to live their best life. We want to show that we're flawed and we have issues and we're working on them. So that's our whole purpose.
Boom.
What's up, guys?
What's up?
What's up, guys? This is Alexa's van.
Welcome to Billy Girl, spelled with an I-E.
Sorry for the amateur lighting, makeshift lighting. I'm literally using my light on my phone to make a light because I don't have any lights. Because I'm driving across country with no stuff.
And because my batteries are broken and I have no lights in my van.
I wasn't gonna say that.
But hey, it happens. We're learning a lot.
You can explain to everybody what you did. What, you want to tell them what you did?
Yeah, I used my induction stove for the first time, and I wish I never would have. So we're about to get the propane stove instead, because my fridge also runs off my inverter. So having the two of them together was just
Oops.
oops.
Oops. You live, you learn.
Hey, it could be worse.
You're not full-time in the van, so it's okay.
Not yet, but soon.
Soon, very soon. Maybe even by the time this video comes out. So this is her van behind me. You guys want to give it a quick peek? We'll give it a quick look.
Yeah.
We'll give it a quick look. It's a 144-inch Sprinter. Guys, again, the lighting is terrible. Mostly my fault. Don't blame her. This is Alexa's van, everybody.
That's my favorite thing, my bookshelf
I'll
for
get
the
it.
book nerd in me.
There you go. Well, you actually wrote a book.
I did write a book.
You wrote a
Oh,
book.
here, I have it too.
Can you get to it?
I can. Here's my book.
Living the Dream. See that? That's pretty cool.
Living the dream today because tomorrow is not promised.
That's the whole title.
Whole title. It's kind of a mouthful.
Look at that. You can even get it on Amazon, right?
Amazon, AlexaClears.com, Barnes & Noble, all that good stuff.
It's pretty cool. I've always wanted to write a book, and you did it. Doing like a two-handed, look at this. Light in one, camera in the other. I really like your setup.
Thank
I
you.
like your layout. I'm gonna put the camera down.
Yeah, this is new.
I know, right? This is new. I like this. Alexa, I really like your setup. It's really like look, I can actually
Cozy.
sit down, yeah.
Yeah, that's it's a little difficult to get in, but you can.
It's just
Yeah,
'cause I'm
this is
fat.
great. So like when I'm in the van full-time or part-time now, because me and Sloan have candlelight dinners, literally with a candlelight.
It's so cute.
But it's super cozy in here.
It is. You seating for two. She has. You got the camera sitting on the refrigerator right now, which is another countertop. We have a bed right here, which she can sleep this way because she's short enough.
Well, nice.
But you have an extended out. It extends out
Yes.
from right here. It extends
All
out
the way. It covers the table completely.
How genius is that? And I'm obsessed with her faucet.
Faucet?
Yeah, thank you. I'm like petting it like a swan.
They kind of
Good.
Good
faucet.
job. Yeah, well, she doesn't work.
Am I sitting on the toilet?
I'm sitting on the toilet.
You're sitting on the toilet. See that? She has everything. She has a toilet in here. I told you, you can get a lot of space or a lot of stuff done in a 144.
Well, and the cool thing is like, even standing in it, I've never felt cramped. Like, and I've been
Yeah.
in here with a couple people at a time, and it's
Party. This light is so ghetto, but we do what we have to do.
yeah. I mean, it's kind of cool too.
Oh, I'm gonna show you the sink. That's the sink right there. Isn't that cute tile too?
So cute.
Is it real?
Honestly, yeah. The subway tile was like an absolute must.
I'm gonna show you guys where we're parked right now.
Yes.
Should we show them? Let's
We
go
should
show
show them.
Hey, we just had us alone too.
She's over here.
Hi everybody, I have lights going on in my van though.
But look at this. I have the Mandalay Bay right behind me, and this is Las Vegas Boulevard. Hi Alexa. we're gonna get a light on you. You want to do your flip for me? We're gonna call it a night, I think.
Yeah,
I'm gonna be hitting the road tomorrow. Alexa's got all day meeting and events and stuff.
Yep.
Stallone's gonna get lost somewhere probably.
Well, I figured this would be a good time to do a little update. Why is it a good time? Because I'm sitting in traffic in the middle of New Mexico. There's literally nothing around me. I'll show you right now. Nothing. But they got some road work up ahead, and it looks like we're going down to one lane. So I started the day in Vegas, woke up kind of early. We slept near the Strip. Show you a picture from last night. That was taken with my Google Pixel 2 actually, not like my nice camera, but there's a night shot mode on my Pixel 2, so it's like a really cool feature. Slept there, like pretty much right there all night, and then woke up early, got coffee. We hung out for like maybe an hour and a half, you know, and we all went our separate ways. I was gonna take my time. I was gonna stop in Flagstaff. I was gonna stop in Oklahoma City. I was gonna stop in all these different places. But you know what? I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go straight there, and I'm gonna hang out in Nashville for a few days before I gotta deliver the van to the new owner.
Hey guys, what is up? Let me explain a couple things. This is my last night in the van. I literally, I stopped vlogging cross country. I stopped kind of recording everything cross country. And I've actually spent the last couple days here in Nashville. It's now Sunday evening, and I am actually going to be meeting with the new owner of this vehicle that I'm in right now tomorrow morning. We're gonna go over some paperwork. We're gonna go to the bank. We're gonna do a whole bunch of business things that we need to get done. But the reason I didn't really do much recording and talking to the camera is because I just wanted to take my time and kind of like focus on the transaction going smoothly, as well as like, really, this kind of sounds weird but like saying goodbye to this van, this first build. Like I guess it changed my life. It changed a lot of things. It changed what I wanted to do. It gave me a platform. It gave me a voice. It allowed me to do this, which I've been wanting to do for years. I just didn't know how to really do a YouTube channel. I wanted to do this. I wanted to do all of these things. I wanted to travel. I wanted to do more stand-up comedy. I wanted to be better financially stable. I wanted to work for myself, and all of those things are pretty much because of my first build. I got to meet some amazing people throughout this journey, and I'm going to continue keep doing that, because I'm obviously doing another build, and I keep on showing bigger and better vans, and I keep on showing more tiny homes. I'm going to be doing some more comedy, more traveling. I'll be able to show you more of that. I'm going to blog. I'm going to start writing a blog on my website, jarrodtocci.com. I'm considering starting a podcast, but the podcast is predominantly going to be comedy related. So all these things have really come because of this first van, and I didn't know where I was going when I started this, and it's just been, the reason I'm saying all that is because these last couple of days have been hard for me to like just take it all in, and I wanted to not have the camera with me, and I'm sorry I didn't show you guys that process of my thoughts and really where I was going, but you guys are here with me now, and you guys are seeing it, and there's a lot going on through my head. So literally the last couple of days I've just been kind of I've been cleaning. My van's a mess right now. I gotta clean tonight, but I've just been kind of reflecting and gathering my thoughts, and just I'm so glad I did this by myself. You know, I've had some friends that have called, and my family I've talked to, and I wish I could convey this feeling to you guys a little bit better, because it's been really interesting. The next time I talk into the camera will actually be tomorrow. I don't know if she wants to be on camera. I know it's her, and actually her father's coming as well. I don't know if they're going to want to be on camera. If they allow me to, you know, video it, then I will. If not, I have to respect that, guys. So that is going to be interesting tomorrow. So I'm going to be crashing in a hotel, and then I fly out Tuesday morning. Don't get me wrong, I am super excited to get started on my next build. Like, I am excited beyond belief. Really excited to get started with that. I'm really stressed out to try, because I'm fitting like a square peg into a circle hole in my next build, and like I've been going over that the last few days. I've been sitting in coffee shops, and selling this van and doing the next one, although I'm dumping pretty much all of the profit I make off of this van into the next, my focus is not to go back to those like fallback jobs or plan B jobs or throwaway jobs or whatever you want to call them, safety net jobs. My plan is not to go back to them. I'm going to do everything humanly possible not to go back to them. So that's pretty much it. And by the way, I'm going to have these hats available. I'm going to put an order in as soon as I get this van done. This will not be on the hat. This is just for me. So it'll just be the ghost in the front and then the logo in the back. Yeah, I plan to sell these on my website. So I'm also going to have some really cool t-shirts as well. But for right now, it'll be the hats. Stay tuned for that over definitely in May. All right, guys, Sarah just left me, and she actually saw the van and backed out. So, I'm just kidding. There's Sarah right there. We're doing paperwork.
Yeah.
Say goodbye to my baby. Not Sarah, the van.
Yeah. Love it, my new home.
Your new home, right, Sarah?
Yeah, I'm excited.
All right, guys. Not even whipping out the nice camera for this one. This is my GoPro. Pretty much the end of the vlog. And I'm obviously not in my van, in a hotel room by the Nashville airport. That's it. My van is sold, officially gone. It's a sad day. She's just a super cool person. I'm so happy that I sold it to a person like this. She's a traveling nurse. She delivers literally life into the world. She's a delivery nurse, but it's pretty cool. It's very cool what she does. Ghost 1 is gone. Ghost 2 on the way. All right, guys, I'll see you guys soon. Later.